Achicha is a popular native food in Osaka and is widely eaten in Enugu State. Achicha is made from dried cooked cocoyam and is either pounded or ground into small sizes before making the achicha dish. If you know this food, then you already know this is not one of those quick 10-minute meals. No, this one requires patience, commitment, and small suffering. First of all, let me just say, if you didn't grow up eating Achicha and Fio-fio, you might be looking at this and wondering what exactly is going on here. Just stay with me. At the end of this video, you might start pricing a plate in your head. I ate this food a lot during my childhood as someone who was born and raised in Osaka, and is one of my favorite native foods till date. Well, the first thing I did was to soak the ground achicha in cold water for about 4 hours in order to soften it, after which I washed it thoroughly till the water became clean. Then I put them in batches in a nylon and cooked it for about an hour. Nobody should come for me because of the nylon. Yes, I know it's not healthy, but that is what I have at home that can work for this. Achicha dish is combined with fio-fio, known as pigeon pea in English. I cooked the fio-fio till it became very soft. Also, don't forget to wash it before cooking. I proceeded to making my pepper sauce. I love my achicha very spicy. I'm sure I'm not the only one. What is achicha without okpaka? It's not done. Okpaka is the fermented oil bean. The flavor this adds to the food is crazy. Even China couldn't stop me from adding okpaka to my achicha. That is how important it is. There is no way you will be cooking with okpaka that you won't snack on it. Omo, I almost finished it. And can we talk about how native meals have a way of making you feel rich in culture and poor in energy at the same time? Because by the time you finish slicing, washing, soaking, and mixing, you have basically done one full workout. At this point, if you are Igbo and you are watching me, I know some of you are already inspecting my pot with your eyes. Is that how she's supposed to add it? Please allow me. We are all trying our best in this kitchen. The smell already starting to come together here. Elite, premium, ancestral. This is the kind of aroma that enters one's room and suddenly everybody in the house starts asking, "What are you cooking?" And let's be honest, native food just has personality. It's not like some meals that taste nice but have no emotional depth. Achicha and Fio-fio, this one has history. This one has memories. This one can reconnect you with your roots immediately. Blankets, man, man. I dey cook forget. I won't lie. One thing about cooking food like this is that it forces you to slow down. You can't rush it. You have to let everything come together properly. And when it does, beautiful. Worth every minute. Now, if you are watching this and you have never tried Achicha and Fio-fio before, I need to know, would you actually taste it? Be honest. Don't come here and be acting shy. And if you already know this food, then you know the only correct response right now is save me a plate. And please, don't let this soft, calm appearance fool you. This food is serious. One plate and you will be full, happy and suddenly remembering random childhood afternoons. It's finally time to devour this meal after several hours of cooking. In fact, after several hours of hard labor. I love this food so much. I can eat it all day without getting tired. Tell me in the comments, what native meal will always have your heart, no matter where you are in the world? If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.